Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to animate text in Canva. So here I've already opened my presentation project that I made in Canva. As you can see, I'm using my phone, and right now I want to make this text move in animation. So how do we do it? Okay, first we click on the text that we want to animate. Now look at these editing options on the bottom. We have to scroll a little bit because we have to look for animate option over here. So we click on animate and choose how you want to animate this text. So this allows the text to move in some kinds of animation. You can choose any animation that you want for your text. So for example, I wanted like a typewriter animation here. And then this is optional, you can adjust. Like, do you want to animate the text when the slides enter or when the slides exit, or both? But here I'm choosing the animation to be played both when the slides enter and when it exits. You can adjust the speed for premium version and the style also. And that's how you animate text on Canva. You can preview by clicking here. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos. Goodbye.